company's history started in 1926. Charles W. Suter and Son. I came in 1978. There were 8 people in the company when I started, and now there's 150, so it's been quite a ride.
In 1926, Suter was the largest commercial plumbing contractor in northeast Nebraska. We were based in South Sioux City. In 1978, it came under its current ownership. In 1995, we moved over to Sioux City, Iowa, and that has been a great move for Suter. A little before that, in 1988, we got into the HVAC business, commercial HVAC, and we quit plumbing altogether. So it's been kind of a full circle, because 2 years ago we got back into the commercial plumbing business, and then only a year ago we hired our first licensed engineer. So basically at Suter, if you come to Suter, a contractor comes to Suter, or a customer comes to Suter, basically we have the commercial plumbing, the commercial HVAC, the engineering, and also the drafting capabilities all in-house to do the entire project for them. It's kind of a one-stop shop. They can come and do everything they need to do at one place. And we have all these various services that we can help people with. Our goals at Suter are to create a win-win-win scenario with every business transaction. Our goal is to have a win for the customer, to provide a good service and value for that service and or product. And then my other thing, I want to have a win for the employees, to make sure the employees are compensated fairly and to make sure that they are happy and are doing the job they need to do. The other part of that win is a win for Suter. Obviously, Suter needs to make a little money so we can pass that along to our employees and make sure that we have the latest equipment and most high-tech equipment there is out there. So I like to create those win-win relationships every day, every transaction with every customer, and that's our goal.
I think the success of the company is something that my father-in-law told me once. He said, if you quit, you are done. And you just can't quit. You just keep putting one foot in front of the other, and you survive and you come out better than you were when you went in.